But Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple Labs, is one of the people who will be at the World Economic Forum event on January 18. On a side note, XRP may be heading for a bigger drop in price in a long-term price correction trend after a falling triangle forms on the daily chart. On the other hand, could this be a huge chance for investors? On top of that, Shen, who created the XRP ledger-based NFT game Zepman, has solved the well-known problem of how to predict the price of 10,000 XRP. And finally, now can Ripple be forced to pay the another $3 billion on fines? Stay with me until the end to learn more. You should watch this new video right away if this sounds like something you would be interested in. Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Here we talk about the latest news about XRP and cryptocurrencies in general. Thank you for watching our videos. If this is your first time, we will make sure you feel welcome. If you don't want to miss another movie, please click on the bell icon. We are letting you know that this station is giving away 200 XRP. To be in the running, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a message with the hashtag XRP. The winner will be announced on January. The event is built on the theme clear-eyed about crypto and will also include other people from the wider financial and crypto ecosystems, as explained on the website. Michael Sonnenstein, CEO of Grayskull Investment, and Daniela Stufwey, State Secretary for International Finance at the Federal Department of Finance for Teacher Switzerland, are two of the big names on the list. Ripple Garlinghouse being a speaker at this event is a big sign of how mature the business has become in recent years, as well as how well the company has done. What role should sensible rules play in the world's countries? This is what the WEF is talking about. There are places with clear rules, like El Salvador, and places without. Crypto is still not allowed as an asset class. One of the goals of the World Economic Forum is to break down barriers to economic growth so that everyone can enjoy it. This talk would help you understand where the industry stands right now and how it might react to rules that focus on growth this year. Both Ripple Labs and Grayscale Investments have pushed for the right rules to apply to them. And while Ripple fought the US SEC over the status of XRP and won some of their battles, Grayscale was very important in beating the CC when the commission first turned down its request for the spot PC ETCA. Ripple and Grayscale as examples of how to deal with crypto regulation. Having Garlinghouse and Sonnenstein as speakers at the WEF Forum is seen as a win for everyone in the business. Being associated with the World Economic Forum is a big deal for Ripple because it gives the company credibility and puts it in front of a huge global audience for almost no extra cost. Ripple Labs has had a hard time growing over the last 3 years. Now it wants to bring its goods and services to more places around the world. Notably, this wave could be good for the company's outlook because it shows how strong the business can be when things go wrong. Don't forget to subscribe to our station and hit that bell to be the first to know what's going on with XRP. In an in-depth price study for XRP on TradingView, skilled chartist Alan Santana made a prediction. The expert started writing the XRP report on January 1, which was New Year's Day, and has continued to keep it up to date with changes in the price of X. Now, a picture that goes with this article shows that XRP has been moving in a downward triangle since it fell from its high point of 73 cents on November 6, 2023. A falling triangle usually has lower highs and a support line that runs across the graph. This trend shows that even though the asset has kept setting lower highs, it stays put above a clear support while the triangle was being made the 58-cent level, which is now at Fibonacci 0.5, was a support for XRP. Since January 1, Santana has said that the cryptocurrency asset will fall below the support level in the first few weeks of 2024, starting a long-term downtrend. He said that several signs such as a drop below the 50-day exponential moving average make it even more likely that the price of XRP will soon go down. The XRP's relative strength index XO and trade volume is going down. The expert changed the charts from January 3rd to January 5th to show new signs that still point to the crash. During the market-wide crash on January 3, XRP fell below the key support line at 58 cents. The mark fell to 50 cents but quickly rose again. This rebound only picked up speed on January 11th when the market went up after the spot to CAT ETF was approved. BRRP shot up to 62 cents. Even so, Santana was still showed that a bad time was coming. The chartist pointed out the most recent rally and XRP is following rejection above the 60-cent level in an update on January 12th. This level was in line with the upper trend line of the descending triangle. He said that there would be a huge crash on January 12th. It's interesting that XRP dropped 5.3 that day and hit a support level below 58 cents. The expert thinks that this decline will last for a few more weeks, which could cause XRP drop to a low of less than 40 cents. His long-term view for XRP, on the other hand, is still very positive. He thinks that the first few weeks of 2024 are a good time to stock up, which means that buyers should be able to get XRP tokens at low prices this year. He said that he would draw attention to the right entry as soon as he heard that support had been confirmed. The researcher thinks that XRP will grow this year. XRP is trading at 57 cents right now, up 0.47 today as interest has grown again. It's interesting that the crypto asset has seen its trade rate skyrocket 88.91 in the last 24 hours, making it the 8th most traded asset. In a recent interview with well-known XR community member Cryptoary, the export builder also talked about his idea for a possible XR price gold. During the interview, Shen talked about her worries about how little the XRP community was doing to protect their investments. He thinks that the lack of participation is one reason why the environment hasn't grown as fast as others. Shane said the trouble started with the idea that XRP holders were looking forward to a time when XRP is worth $10,000. In particular, he said that the XRP doesn't have much action because many holders are passive and are holding on to their XRP in case the price goes up a lot. And he said, as a builder, I think one of the main reasons XPL has such low participation compared to the number of holders is that people think that if you hold XRP and put it away, one day it will be worth $10,000 each. People have XRP, but they aren't using it. Basically, the founder of the XRP game stressed how important it was for users to interact with their XRP shares in order to promote growth. Nashan also said that the story was similar to the success of other big cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Binance Coin, BNB, and Solana. He said